Water, the source of life, connecting pristine rivers to bustling cities. But in our modern world, the purity of our tap water isn't always guaranteed. Our day begins and revolves around water. It quenches our thirst, cooks our food, and keeps us clean. But sometimes, hidden dangers lurk within this essential element. Whether it's byproducts from industrial zones, deteriorating infrastructure, or even natural mineral deposits, contaminants can infiltrate our water. Among these, heavy metals are major culprits. Lead, for instance, can affect children's cognitive development. Arsenic, another silent predator, has ties to skin and lung cancers. Then there's mercury, which can severely impact our nervous system. Cadmium and copper, while lesser known, are equally potent and pose significant health challenges. Beyond metals, there are other silent invaders. Nitrates from our farms, aluminum from the earth itself, and even the debated fluoride, all can compromise water quality. And it doesn't end there. Harmful microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, and even tiny parasites called cysts can be present, especially in untreated water. J.D. Power ranked the states with the best and worst tap water based on customers' feedback on which places have the best quality and reliability. The study tracked water utility customers in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. To be eligible, states had to serve a minimum of 400,000 residential customers and a minimum of 100 survey respondents. The states were scored on a scale of 100 to 1,000 points. 10 U.S. states with the best tap water. Kentucky has the best tap water in the United States. In Louisville, Kentucky, the tap water is so good the city was able to trademark the name Pure Tap, according to the government's website. There are 435 public water systems in Kentucky. According to the state's website, approximately 95% of Kentuckians have access to public drinking water. 10 U.S. states with the worst tap water. Alabama ranked as the state with the worst tap water in the country. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, an estimated 2.1 million Alabamians depend on groundwater as their primary source of drinking water. Sounds daunting? Don't worry, we have the tools to combat these issues. Water filtration systems have advanced greatly, offering solutions tailored to specific contaminants. Reverse osmosis uses a membrane to sieve out impurities. Distillation boils and condenses water for purity. And activated carbon filters are excellent for trapping organic compounds. We have added links in the description of a few of the highest-rated filtration systems. Check them out, as we all should have some level of filtration system for our tap water. Remember, we can ensure that every drop we consume is as nature intended, pure, clean, and safe. But we must be proactive. In addition to filtration systems, it's crucial to advocate for stringent water safety regulations, ensure regular testing, and invest in maintenance of our public water systems. By connecting the dots, from our natural water sources to the taps in our homes, we can safeguard our most precious resource. Together, we can ensure that every sip we take is a step towards a healthier future. Cherish every drop. Prioritize clean water. Remember, the purity of our water is in our hands. Let's protect it for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update.